Hi folks, it's Gregory at FIZZdesigns here. Just a quick tutorial video today just to show our clients how to set up POP email. This is the emails that come direct from the server either onto your computer, your laptop, your tablet or your mobile device. All devices will be controlled by the same settings and the same questions that you're going to see ahead of you here. All we want to do is fill in the blank spaces and make sure that everything is correct. Upon doing that, your emails will come in and out, no problems at all. Okay, so we want to first and foremost create a new account. So I've already got to that. What I want to do is we don't need any of these. We want to say other. Okay, full name, business name, FIZZdesigns. Again, you can have that, your name, your business name. So anything that I'm creating here, don't copy it. What you want to do is put your specific settings into these blank spaces. This is just a dummy email that I've set up. So again, if your email is info@yourbusinessname.com or .co.uk, you will put your email address into this box. Then you will go to the next box and type in your password. That's the one that we generate and give to you. Okay, so that's adding the mail account. It's now discovering the settings, and more than likely, depending whether you're setting it up on Mac or up on Windows, it will come back and ask you to set the details manually, put them in manually. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to select a POP account, not an IMAP. Please do not set it up on an IMAP because these settings will not work for IMAP. They will work for POP, and POP is the one that we want to use. Mail server is mail dot and then your business web address. So our web address is fizzdesigns.co.uk, of course. So we would put mail.fizzdesigns.co.uk. You will put mail.yourbusinessname.co.uk or .com, whatever it is. Please do not type mail.fizzdesigns.co.uk, or please do not type in, which has happened, mail.mybusinessname.com. We're not asking you to do that. What we're asking you to do is put in the settings that we have supplied you with to the outgoing and incoming mail servers. Now, just now we're doing the incoming mail server, as you can see, and that's also referred to as the POP mail server. The outgoing mail server is referred to as either the outgoing server or the SMTP outgoing server. So you'll see that in a second. The username is always the email address. Okay, and the password, which I'm going to do is just retype it, just to be doubly sure. Okay, now we're on to the outgoing mail server info. And as you can see there, SMTP server, that's how it's referred to. And each piece of software, whether it be your mobile device, tablet, your Windows computer or your Mac, may refer to it in a similar way or a slightly different way, but it's all the same. Just make sure all the details go in correctly. And just make sure that you put all the correct details in, double check them before you confirm or create onto the next page, because the slightest wee dot or number or letter in the wrong place will throw this all off. Okay, so once it's done, you'll come in and you'll see a page something similar like this. This is one of our other emails, and this is the test email for this purposes. Okay, so description. That is just the description of this mailbox. So I'll just call it test. Email is the actual email address, and full name, that will be, for example, on Outlook, Windows Mail, for example, and Outlook, they may refer it as being user information or your name. Here the Mac refers to it as full name, so they're quite similar. What there I do is I either put the business name in or maybe add. You just want to make sure that when the email goes to the recipient, they know who it's coming from, and that's what comes up. So that will come up in their inbox. It will say FIZZdesigns, Gregory Cooper, or just FIZZdesigns. Okay, incoming, just double check that's correct, and that's correct. Outgoing mail server, that's correct. They are all correct. Now, for the advanced section. On the actual computer, on the laptop, on the tablet, if this is the device that is your default, this is the one that all emails come into on a daily basis, you want to make sure that you follow the instructions in this section correctly. I always put this to after 1 week. Okay, so what that means is that once you delete your emails from the software on the computer, that's the Macmail, the Outlook, the Windows Mail, it means that the email, the actual email, will remain on the server for 1 week. So it means that if something ever happens and maybe your device crashes or you lose it, something happens, it gets stolen, we can always track back 1 week and your emails will be in there. Okay, the port is correct. Now, use SSL. We turn that off. We do not require SSL. And authentication will be set up as password. Now that is used on a Mac, and it's also, you'll probably find that question being asked on the mobile device. However, on, for example, the Windows system, you might find that it will ask you also for SPA, which stands for Secure Password Authentication. You want to make sure that that's unticked as a no, and also the SSL is unticked. We do not need them. Okay, so once that's done, that's it done. That's it complete. You can just finish up by clicking X. That will save the details. Job complete. With, for example, the Windows computer, you'll probably need to click Next and Finish, and that's the job done. So just finally, mobile devices. We'll jump back to that because more than likely the mobile device will just be the secondary device, meaning that you'll use it when you're out and about on the move, and then when you go back to the office you'll want the emails to be on the office computer as well. So for that purpose we want to make sure that the settings and the incoming server settings, as you can see, here's just a wee example, but inside this red circle, delete email from server, you want that to be set to never. And that just means that when you delete the email off the mobile device, it will still be on the main default computer. So that's all for that. And then finally, the webmail service. This is webmail on the go. If you feel that you need to refer to our webmail server, you can go to outitgoes.com, type in your email, password, and log in now, and that will give you access to the webmail server, and that is the actual, you're direct into the server there. All your emails that are in there would be piped up along this here, but as this is a test email I've set up for this tutorial, there's nothing in there, so that message there, no threads match the 6-month criteria, just means there's no emails in your inbox at all whatsoever. Okay, so that's how it goes, webmail, and that there is there just as a backup, that if you're out and about, maybe you're in an internet cafe, it's really for if you don't have your laptop, your tablet or your mobile device with you, you can still access any computer on the internet. Just bring up a browser, put in outitgoes.com, add your email address and your password, and bang, you're into the server and into your emails. Okay folks, that's all for now. If you have any trouble, any questions, any queries whatsoever, just give us a wee shout. 0141 439 1439 is the telephone number, or drop us an email via the website. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this has been of use, and we'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.